guys, today's lesson is on problem solving using sets. We're going to be looking at more difficult questions than the ones we were doing in last lesson. Let's look at an example. There are 30 people in class. 15 study French, 18 study German, 6 study both French and German. Show this information on a Venn diagram. And then you need to find how many students study neither French nor German, B, French but not German, C, one language only. The first thing we need to do is draw our Venn diagrams and our universe. We're told that in total we should have 30 people in our universe. We draw two Venns for French and German. We're told that our French circle should have 15 people in it, and our German circle should have 18 people in it. When completing a Venn diagram, the first thing we need to include is the number of students who study both French and German. This is our intersection and it goes in the middle. Then we need to find the number of students who only study French. If 6 students study both, and we have 15 students in total, to find the number of students who only study French, we have a total of 15 students minus our intersection, which gives us 9. And then to find the number of students who only study German, it is our total of 18 students minus the number of students who study both. This gives us 12 students. We know that our total class should contain 30 students. That means in the whole universe, we should have 30 in total. Let's see how many we have. 9 plus 6 plus 12 equals 27. The number of students who study French or German is 27. This means we have 3 students who study neither. Taking our total away from the number of students who study both French and German leaves us with 3. This means that we place a 3 outside the sets in our universe. Okay. Now, let's look at part A. How many students study neither French nor German? Now that we have our Venn diagram drawn, we can answer these questions easily. We have 3 students who study neither. This is the number of students that are in the intersection. This is the number of students who are not included in either the French or the German Venn. Then, how many students study French but not German? This is the number of students that are in the French circle but are not included in the intersection. We have 9 students here. Then, how many students only study one language? Well, we have 9 students who only study French and 12 students that only study German. Adding these together gives us 21 students that study only one language. Please pause this video and take down this example into your copybooks. Let's try another example. In a survey of 500 people, they were asked which foreign language they speak, French or German. The answers are as follows. 200 people said they spoke neither. 50 people said they spoke both. 150 people said they spoke French only. And we're asked to use a Venn diagram to find the following. The number of people who spoke German only. The number of people who spoke German. Okay, so when we're drawing a Venn diagram, the first thing we need to do is draw our universe and then draw our Venn sets. We have French and German. Now we need to fill in our Venn diagram. we know we should have a total of 500 people in our universe. Let's fill in the number of students who spoke neither and our intersection first. We know that 50 people go in our intersection, as these are the students that studied both French and German. We know, therefore, 150 students only spoke French, so these go in the outer part of the French Venn. This leaves us with 100 students who only studied German and 200 on the outside who spoke neither. Let's look at how we find answer A, the number of people who spoke German only. We know that the total number of students is 500. To find the number who only spoke German, we take away the students who spoke French, the students who spoke both French and German, and the students who spoke neither language. This gives us 500 minus 150 plus 50 plus 200. We're left with 100 people who spoke German. In part B, we're asked for the number of people who spoke German. This is the number of people who spoke German only and the number of people who spoke both German and French. To find the number of people who spoke German, we add together our intersection to the number who spoke only German. This is 100 plus 50, which equals 150. Okay guys, I would like you to pause this video and take down this example into your notebooks. Then I would like you to turn to exercise 1.5 on page 14. Please complete questions 7, 8 and 9.